So I guess people don't like going to the dentist.
No.
When they go to your office, you say you've created this unique experience. What can they
Yes.
expect on day one for a new patient?
Well, I'll tell you what, you're going to be surprised, okay? Because when you walk into the office, it's not heavy and it's not real serious. We don't clown around. Don't get me wrong, okay? I guess you could say we take what we do very seriously, but we don't take ourselves very seriously. So when I'm working on you doing some work, no messing around. But after we're done, we like to lighten it up a little bit and have a good time because, it's a pretty stressful situation that the people are probably in because they feel that way, and we like to lighten it up, and it makes it a lot easier that way.
So don't let your fear of the dentist keep you from having the smile you've always wanted.
Those days are over. There's no reason for that at all. We're not that frightening. I mean, look at me, but we're not scary. And the procedures and the techniques nowadays eliminate all of the stuff that we used to worry about. Okay, and so yeah, take a look and get a good examination, see where you are, know where you want to be, think about it a little bit, and talk to the dentist. In our office, we sit and we talk. You talk with my assistant, you talk with me. I want to make sure I speak with everybody, know what you want.
Your wife is like your office administrator.
She is.
Oversees everything.
She sure does.
She said he's a great listener. I always think, well, isn't that what all dentists do?
That's an ultimate. I mean, when your wife says you're a good listener, that's saying
I guess
something.
so.
I didn't think about that. Thank her.
That's right.
Yeah, that's what makes, that's the difference, because if you know what the person wants, it's a whole lot easier to get to them. Okay, we can do all sorts of really neat things, but if the person if that's not what they wanted, it's a waste of everybody's time. So yeah, I listen. I want to find out what your goals are. I want to find out what your fears are. Because I'll say to somebody, I asked one kid, young kid, I said, what do you hate most about the dentist? And he said, I hate cotton in my mouth. And I said, really? I thought that was odd. Well, he had when he was growing up, he had 5 older brothers, and they roughed him. He was at the hospital a lot, getting his face put back together. I mean, it was and I said, well, let me see if I can do it without it. I had an assistant use a suction. I didn't need a cotton roll. He thought I was the greatest dentist going. Had I not asked him that, I just would have been another dentist who heard him with a cotton roll.
So you want to tailor your treatment to them?
Absolutely. It's a custom deal. It's options and custom. Whatever.
Is it true that your wife teaches other dentists and other dental practices?
She does. She's actually
how to be friendlier, how to be more effective.
She does. She has a gift at how to communicate, and she speaks with people, and she can tell when somebody's uncomfortable as a student. When she teaches somebody, she can say, you didn't like what I just said, did you? Or you didn't understand what I just said. She really has a gift for that. And yeah, she has a lot of clients, and they're great people. I get lucky once in a while. I get to meet some of them, and they're just all a bunch of nice people, and she does a great job with that.